Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and I am here to show you how I will do a simple contraption to attach this SSD to the back of the screen of my MacBook. So currently I have this old MacBook. This is 2019 and this one only have 128 gigabytes. So that's not enough for editing videos. So I always use this one. This is Samsung T7 1 terabytes, and this one is always dangling when I'm editing my videos. So I decided to make a contraption made of Lego, and this one will be encasing the SSD before attaching it to the back of the screen of my MacBook. So as you can see here, this is just a simple Lego, but initially my setup was like this way only, like simple, light, and really like a minimalist, like really thin. But then I realized that SSD gets hot sometimes if it's like doing a lot of work. So I decided to put a Lego at the bottom of this case. So instead of the SSD heat going to the back of the screen of the MacBook, the heat will go to transfer to the Lego first, and then whatever remaining heat, maybe that's not too hot anymore because it goes to the plastic. It will be kind of safer to the screen because this one still have a MacBook case. So this is still plastic. So then I will use my glue gun to attach this Lego box that will encase the SSD. So before I will glue it, I have to open the MacBook to see the range, if there will be a stress in this cable. So I can see that it's way too high, so I have to make it lower so that there will be this wire will move freely. So yeah, right there, I will put it here. And this is kind of loose. If you can see, it's not like too tight, so that is also good because there will be a movement for the SSD. It will be like kind of pointing upward. Instead of, if this is tight, this cable will have some tension here. So yeah, now I will get my glue gun and then glue this Lego here. I will first remove this SSD, then I will glue here. Here, here. Oops. Okay, I think that's, yeah. All right. Okay. So there it goes. Right now, this Lego is attached to the back of the case of the MacBook. This Lego is still removable. So if you're going to put it in your bag, you can disassemble it because this one is way too thick to put it in your bag. Okay. Yeah. Now disassemble it again, and just like that. I think it's dry already, so let's try this simple project that I made. Just put it here, and Now I can go anywhere without letting it dangle like this way. When I'm editing or going somewhere, usually I hold it like this, but now I can easily put it here, just like that. You can also use a Velcro if you have one, but right now this is what I have, so I have to be resourceful of what I have. I can buy a Velcro, but at least there's another option. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.